Have you heard about the solar eclipse earthquake theory? On April 8th, 2024, there will be a total solar eclipse. This is when the moon passes directly between the Earth and the sun, temporarily changing it from day to night. But this one is going to be very special. About every 18 years, the path of these eclipses cross each other at different locations around the world. But the location where this 2024 eclipse will cross path with the 2017 eclipse is in a very unique location when it comes to geology. This is the location where the two eclipses will cross paths, and it just happens to be the same location as the New Madrid fault line. This is the most active seismic area in the United States east of the Rocky Mountains. And get this, the last time two eclipse paths crossed over the United States was back in September of 1811, only 100 miles away from this new location. And 3 months later, the New Madrid fault line broke loose, resulting in massive earthquakes that lasted over a month. There have also been some other correlations with solar eclipses and major earthquakes, like when a solar eclipse passed over Alaska in July of 1963. Then a few months later, Anchorage suffered devastating earthquakes. And then a solar eclipse passed over the Pacific Ocean in July of 2010. And again, March of the following year, a massive underground earthquake triggered that tsunami in Japan. So the theory goes, these solar eclipses are having an impact on the moon's gravitational pull on Earth, which can potentially cause shifting into tectonic plates, which can then lead to major earthquakes. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean that the solar eclipse is the sole cause of the earthquakes, but rather a catalyst to a stage that has already been set. Now, we all know that scientists have been warning us for years that we're way overdue for a major earthquake in the United States, which basically just means there's a lot of tension built up between these plates and wouldn't take much to set them off. And something like a change in gravitational pull from the moon could possibly do the job. So is this why all the billionaires have decided recently to start building doomsday bunkers?